What's up, YouTubers? My name's Steve. Been racing motorcycles for many years, and I decided I wanted to pick up a vintage bike and restore it back to showroom condition, basically. Let me see here. If you don't recognize this bike, it's you could be excused from that. Cancel that. That's what a 1989 YZ250 looks like when it rolled off the showroom floor, right? Yeah. And here's what my 1989 YZ250 looks like. So, it's a bit of a mess. Obviously, I've got no idea where the seat cover came from. These fenders are certainly not YZ250 fenders. It does have number plates and some cool graphics. Basically, I rescued this from Hood Life. Other than that, I mean, it has a pro circuit pipe on it, so I mean that's sort of cool. Looks like some stock wheels and brakes and so forth. We got a little bit of surface rust on the frame, so yeah, it's not running either. The previous owner told me that he thinks the CDI box is dead, so we'll have to address that. But I think what we'll be doing is like completely tearing this bike down all the way to the frame. And the engine will probably be splitting the cases and having a new crank put into it. There's no spark on the spark plug. I have the spark plug out here. But it does have, you know, good compression. We'll be taking the suspension off and sending it off to Chad at Total Control Racing, and having the frame powder coated, sandblasted and powder coated. I'll see what I can do as far as the wheels. I don't know if we'll be putting some new spokes in, or I'll check and make sure that they run true at least. You know, there's no big dents or big wobbles, and then make some decisions from there. UFO makes a replica plastic kit for it, so we'll be putting some new plastic on it and doing our best to restore this gas tank, you know, so that it, you know, shines white like it did when it was new. I'll probably get some new Renthal bars and controls. Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, it's like there's a whole lot of shit that's just going to get thrown away here. So, and we can get, you know, replica seat covers so it looks like a bike. I mean, these bikes are great. They have a good engine in them. 1989 was actually the first year that that Yamaha introduced upside down forks. So honestly, I don't know if these forks are great. My man up at Total Control will certainly let me know if they're worth putting some money into, or maybe we'll put something maybe from the mid-90s into the into the clamps if possible. But yeah, should be interesting. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna probably start tearing it down this afternoon and treat the frame with some phosphoric acid probably. That'll neutralize the surface rust that's on it, get down into all the little cracks and crevices, if there's anything like that there. Something that a sandblasting may not be able to do. But then I'll take it over to our powder coater here in Raleigh, and they'll sandblast all the old paint off, and make it nice and white. And I'm not sure if powder coating or maybe just regular paint is the best thing, but I'll figure it out and keep you updated. Like I said, it's going to take some time for sure. So what I plan to do is, maybe do weekly updates here on YouTube and let you show you what I'm into, and how the progress is coming along, and maybe it'll help some of you when you go to either restore or repair bikes, because there's going to be a whole lot of restoration and repair on this thing. So anyway, I'll keep you updated, and hope you enjoy the series. Okay, thanks.